So Marie, you've been on the Academy course from the beginning. Have you been on a live workshop before?
I've never been on a workshop, and so this is that first time. And this one is particularly good because it's so long. You know, it's not even from 9 to 5. It's for the whole day, whatever you can do. So that's wonderful. We came prepared, so we weren't at the very beginning. We actually had drawn things. So I'm still using the Academy course even here, you know, so I'm looking at some of the information that you put up online. You know, those are still really good. The real advantage of having you and being here and being in person is that the smallest changes make the biggest differences, and those can't be garnered on a video. Learning how to do gilding was spectacular because I've never done it. I've seen it done and I've watched it, but I've never actually made it myself.
Can we see what you managed to achieve? So this is your first ever water gilding.
Right. So I did 2 layers of, it might have been 23 karat gold. So I used a cotton swab to, you know, give it that gentle glow, but not a high gloss.
Okay.
Yeah.
Because that's a nice even finish. I mean, how did you feel about the result?
I love it, yeah. I'm really, very happy for it to have come out like that. So, I mean, one thing is you're encouraging. You know, as a teacher, you don't let people, see it as the end of the world. Show us, here's a line, and here's where it went, off a little bit, and put it right. But in person, it's wonderful to have that advice, and so I'm really pleased with that. That really is special.
Would you say it's worthwhile? I mean, you've come from where?
I came from North Carolina in the United States.
And we're here in Bethlehem.
Yeah.
So that's a long journey, and just for a week.
Well, you made it very reasonable, and the nuns here are, really wonderful and accommodating, and I didn't see the cost as it was more of the time and the, well, do you want to go transatlantic to do a course? But for me, I was very happy to do that, yeah.
And how do you feel now, having made that effort?
Yes.
Do you think it was worthwhile? Or?
Oh yeah, I would do it again, yeah.